Good morning, Seattle.
Hello.
We're refreshed, renewed. I didn't end yesterday because I was delirious and had been driving for about 9 hours total and was really hungry. Still haven't really eaten. We're gonna fix that now. What's the name of the cafe? Tequila? Tillicum. We're going to Tillicum Cafe. So that's where we're going for breakfast. And then we're gonna go to Olympic National Park and go to Hurricane Ridge.
Potentially, if it's not too crowded.
If it's not too crowded, and then if not, we'll just find somewhere pretty and do some hiking and sightseeing and all that. But it's a new day. It's our last full day. And we get to surprise Roro tonight. My Aunt Roro. She doesn't know that we're in Seattle and she's out here with my uncle, her husband. She out here. So she's just out here for their 25th anniversary trip. But also it just happens to be her birthday around, today at the same time. So that's exciting. So that'll be later. And we're here. Literally here, we're here. Makes me want it to be Christmas. We're on our way to Hurricane Hill, which I guess is like the highest point. Right now we're headed down and then I think we'll be headed back up. I hadn't noticed like an air quality change. I'm like, no, it's like fresh. I know I get that, but we have fresh air like this in New Jersey. And then when we got here to Hurricane Ridge, we stepped out and it smelled just pine. Everything smells like pine. I mean, for obvious reasons. There's pine everywhere of some kind, but it smells like so fresh. It smells like we're just like inhaling. Okay, the best I can describe it is like you stick your head out the window on like a snow day and then like put a pine candle on. That's like as much as I can describe it, because it's like fresh and cool and piney. But yeah, this is some fresh air. Anyway, enjoy the view.
backpacking.
Now those are clouds. That is not mist. No. Look at what's eye level with us. The clouds. What likes you, Tori? Hi, sweetheart. Oh, he's starting to do a boo. You would like this? Hi. Do you think it's Daisy? It's not Daisy. No, it's not Daisy. Shh. We made it.
I can't believe it. And so who's got the best? Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday. Last day.
Yeah.
So sad. We're still able to leave our stuff at the Airbnb and walk around and do our thing today. Anyway, as I was saying, in this better lighting, I don't really remember what I was saying, but anyway, we're on our way to our first stop, which is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery is what it's called, Starbucks Reserve Roastery. I've always wanted to go to one, so I'm excited to go to one in Seattle, the birthplace of Starbucks. I really want a pumpkin spice latte, and we haven't had Starbucks the whole time. We've been having like indie coffee shops.
Wave.
Yeah, but like those little huts, are those third wave? Those are just little.
No.
Yeah, we've gone to third wave and then these little like indie huts. You probably can't hear me, but anyway, first stop, Starbucks Reserve. There it is, the Starbucks Reserve. Feel free to like take your time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cute pin.
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, and you can get one Chemex with the little logo.
That's the same as yours, right? What? This. The same idea. It is.
Rachel, look. There's the coffee stuff and a tiger.
It says Seattle on it.
Oh, I like these.
Yeah, I like them too.
How cute. Oh, cool. Like a little tote bag.
Yeah.
What is this?
Is it an apron?
I think it might be.
Yeah.
Oh, look. There's like little apron thingies. I don't know what this is. Coffee place. Oh, up your brew game. I guess this is like the brewing fancy. Ooh, it smells so good.
Yeah, wow.
our Parmesan. This is the cinnamon roll. And this is the chocolate hazelnut croissant. It's like a keg. Oh yeah.
No pretense. Like,
Did a lot of shopping.
yeah.
Good luck to us fitting this on the plane.
It's pretty cool.
This might be one of the last times we see this. We got ourselves some apple cider. What'd you get? Blackberry?
Blackberry.
I got raspberry and she got
Original.
the traditional
Can I
one.
try the original? Yep.